Dare to Compare. Chapter 1. Food Services. Page 3. Chapter Scenario. In this chapter, you will meet two people we will follow throughout this book. You will get to know them. You will get to know these two people. You'll meet Victoria and Cedric. Victoria is the manager at a vegetarian sandwich cafe. A vegetarian cafe is a place where they don't offer meat, of course. Cedric works for her. He is her employee. And he is also a storyteller. So he tells stories. He writes stories and tells them. They have in common an interest in public services, and they want to keep a high quality in what they do. Take a look at the pictures on page 2 and 3. Do not hesitate to write vocabulary words that describe the pictures. Then try to answer the following questions. A. What kind or what type, what sort of food does each service offer? If you look at the pictures, you see different food services. B. In your opinion, who has the most interesting job and why? C. In your opinion, who has the most difficult job and why? D. Where would you expect to get better customer service? This question is about the food services that are offered. So in what place exactly can you identify them? Where would you expect to get better customer service? In a restaurant? At a cafeteria? E. Where would you expect to be served quickly? Quickly is a synonym of rapidly, or in a timely fashion, in a timely manner.